Looking for the ultimate quick breakfast? Let's make the perfect French toast, crispy on the outside, pillow soft on the inside, and ready in just 10 minutes. For this recipe, you will need 4 slices of bread, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, sugar, and some butter for the pan. Grab a wide bowl and crack in 2 fresh eggs to get started. Pour in half a cup of milk to create a rich and creamy base for our custard. Now, let's add the flavor: 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of sugar for that hint of sweetness. Whisk everything together until the mixture is completely smooth and the cinnamon is well incorporated. Take your first slice of bread and gently dip it into the custard mixture. Make sure to coat both sides evenly so every bite is packed with flavor. Here is a quick tip: do not soak the bread for too long or it will become soggy and fall apart. Just a few seconds on each side is all you need to get that perfect texture. Set a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt a generous pat of butter until it starts to sizzle. Once the butter is bubbling, carefully place your prepared bread slices into the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom turns a beautiful golden brown. Use a spatula to flip them over gently, revealing that gorgeous crust. Cook the other side until both faces are perfectly crispy and caramelized. The delicious aroma of cinnamon and vanilla should be filling your kitchen by now. Once they are done, transfer those hot, golden slices straight to a serving plate. Now for the best part: drizzle a generous amount of maple syrup all over the top. Add some fresh berries or sliced bananas to give the dish a bright and fresh finish. For a final touch of sweetness, a light dusting of powdered sugar makes it look like it came from a professional cafe. Make sure to serve these immediately while they are still warm and irresistibly crispy. If you love this simple breakfast idea, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes every single week.